In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Midjourney work in different illustration styles. I'm going to teach you a free method and a paid method. So first of all, the free method. What you want to do is go to Google or Pinterest or whatever, find the illustration styles that you like. So you can go through whatever you like. I'm going to say I like this one. It's a classic image. I've right clicked and I've saved it. I've saved it to my desktop. Now what I want to do, come into Midjourney, do /describe. Then paste in your image. Click on this here and hit enter. Now, what this is going to do is going to look at this image and it's going to give you some descriptions of it. So here you can see it's giving me 4 different descriptions of what this image is. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. What you want to do is you want to read through these and see which one is the most accurate. Now, for me, I just put number 4 because I was wanting to save time. So I picked number 4, and after clicking number 4, it's going to submit a prompt. It's submitting a prompt for this prompt that it's made. Now, this is the image that I got back. You can see it is a pretty similar art style. Now, if it wasn't quite right, you could pick different ones. But basically, just fiddle around with it till you get one that looks good. Now, this is the prompt it's made for me here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Now, I'm going to do /imagine, and let's say I want to get a chicken in a farm. After that, I'm going to paste in the prompt. Now, this says the great wave of whatever. I'm going to put in the style of this, and it should hopefully make it in the style of these. Beige and blue and beige, I'll probably remove that because I don't want it to be that. It's not ocean-like. But basically, these are the different keywords that this image has given it. So I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to see what we're going to come up with. Now, as I said, this is a free method of it. So it's going to be a lot more temperamental. It's going to require you to do a lot more work into it, and it's not going to be perfect every single time, but it will still make decent results. Now, why this loads, I'm going to teach you the second method, which is paid. You want to go to a website called PromptBase, and on PromptBase, this has tons of prompts on here. So type in illustration styles. Illustration style. Go on Midjourney on the left, and here you're going to see it's going to give you tons of different options for illustration styles. So let's say you really like this dark style illustrations. This is quite cool. If you want your images to look like this, then you're going to go on here and you're going to buy this prompt. Now, once you buy this prompt, it's going to give you the keywords needed to turn your images into this kind of style. What's good about this as well, they will give you instructions on how to fully customize your image. So they're going to tell you how to, all the different things you need to make it perfect to what you want. And it's really amazing. You buy it, and then it gives you the prompt, and you can put that straight back into Midjourney and use it how you would with any other prompt. So our freeway has finished generating, and as you can see, it's slightly incorporated the images into these 3, and this one is kind of better. You can see that it is styled like the original image. Now, these ones have the actual image in it, so what you might want to do is remove this bit at the start, the great wave, this one. So this method, you can see it's free. It's definitely not as good, but it still works. This chicken has 3 legs. But this way is definitely way more consistent and better, but it is paid. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.